I'm going to use these beads. Good night, Yoni. It's 12 millimeter the beads, this one. $12mm. And if we are going to make a sun charm, you sent me the picture moon rose. This is the piece that you want to learn. Okay. Let's wrap by the wire 0.6. Let's use 0.6 and 1mm. The first, when you are use a bead, you need to know what is the length around the beads. You need to know what is the length around the beads here. This way. Okay. Four centimeter. Total is 4 centimeter. Okay. So we just remember we need to wrap 4 centimeter. The other 2 wire is cut it as a tour. So here we need a total 3 pieces of the wire. Okay, wrap by the 0.6. We start wrap here 1 time, 2 time, here the beginning 1mm and 0.6. So here wrap two wire, then put the third and wrap the 3 wire and again wrap the 2 wire. When after wrap it, use the plier to tie. Okay. Here. 1, 2, 3. We wrap 3 times. Then again 2 wire, 3 wire, 2 wire. Here again wrap we wrap 3 times. 1, 2, 3. 3 times. Then wrap 2, wrap 3, wrap 2, and wrap 1. 1, 2, 3. Here, 1, 2, 1. Here. This. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, moon rose you got the way here. Wrap, and we need to weave it 4 centimeter because the beads around it is 4 centimeter. 2, 3, and the wrap 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, again. 1, 2, 3, and the wrapper 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. Let me measure how long. It's 3.5 now. So we wrap 1. Oh, sorry. This need to wrap 2 first. 2, 3. 1. Okay. 4 centimeter now. Okay, here we total sent some picture of some new ones I did for later. Okay, I will check it after my live. Here, this. Then we just need to. Yeah. Let me see if I wrap one more. Just in case if it's not enough, we'll wrap one more time. Okay. One, two. Take away the two top wire here. Okay. So beads here, the wrapper here, then it just go tight. Okay, here. It's tight. Here. And this one, the wire, we're going to fold it. Okay, let's use a wire thinner, 0.4 to tie it here. What's the meaning? Live for our communicator gift, you can find it by typing life gift. I don't know where to check. Okay, so use the wire here to tight, and here it means one wire on the back and this wire is the front, and here we're going to fold it up, and here going to tight the piece here. Use the wire to tie here. Tie this wire and the round nice thumb around it. So this part not going to be loose. Okay. then we can make a loop. Yeah, make a loop. If make the earring, you can make it flat. If you make a necklace pendant, I'm here make a necklace pendant. I'm going to do it this way here. And here the wire is wrapper here. Okay, so it's finished like this. Yeah. If you have the beads like the middle, you can use the beads as the middle, then it will come out the effect more nice, because I really feel the moon with the eyes, with the mouth is so cute. So this one here. And if you think this piece want to be longer, you just use the wire this too thick. For example, 1.2, or you can use 2 pieces for each. So it means you need two pieces, so it need a total 5 pieces of the wire. Then it come out this one longer here. And I see someone they also fold this here. You can fold the piece like the, maybe make it like the sunflower here. It come like this look. So make it this look here. Fold the piece, then it come like a flower. Yeah, here, this one. Okay, so this is the way how to make the sun. And this one is the back. This one is the front. Back is with a piece of the fold